Namaste friends. So this is the last video lesson for the first unit of Become First Year Financial Accounting. Already we have completed consecutively 8 video lessons for first we started the introduction of financial accounting, and in the second video lesson we started about generally accepted accounting principles, and 3, 4, 5 we discussed very easy journal entries, so that every student, a layman, can easily follow how to journalize the transactions in the books of accounts. So 3, 4, 5 are very easy journal entries, and once you see 3, 4, FA3, FA4, FA5, these 3 video lessons, no doubt you will get primary knowledge in journalizing, how to debit and how to credit, and what are the 2 accounts in the transactions, and all these things. And the 6th video lesson is a very important video lesson, which I prepared with common errors made by the students. Very good number of students are confusing in journal entries. That's why I very important 12 mistakes made by the different students and different people in, and I explained thoroughly in six video lesson. That's why 6th video lesson is very important video lesson. Everybody should go through 3 or 4 times. Then 7th, 8th video lessons are about explaining the 6th video lesson. 2 illustrations I explained in the 7th and 8th lesson. So if you follow 6th, 7th, 8th video lessons, no doubt almost all you are very good at journal entries. No doubt you will never commit a mistake in generalizing the transactions. If you are still you are confusing, once again you have to start with 6, 7, 8 video lessons. If you are 100%, that means you are unable to understand, then you have to start once again from 3rd, 4th, 5th. This is easy journal entries, and 6th, 7th, 8th peculiar journal entries, hard journal entries, and common mistakes made by the students. So that's why I end up journalizing the transactions. So then now in this 9th video lesson of FA9, we are entering into the second stage of accounting process, that is ledger. So let us start how to in this video lesson we are going to, so let us start screen sharing. So in this video lesson, you are going to learn how to post the transactions from the journal to ledger, and how to prepare a ledger account, how to prepare trial balance, and one illustration, small illustration depicting journal, ledger, and trial balance. Journal, ledger, and trial balance. Let us start. What is ledger and everything? So ledger, you know very well, it is a principal book which contains all the accounts to which the transactions recorded in the books of original entry are transferred. So every transaction first recorded in the books of original entry, that is journal. So after recording all the transactions in the journal, the transactions recorded in the journal are transferred from journal to ledger. So ledger is nothing but this is a bundle of accounts. All the accounts are opened in the ledger accounts, and all the transactions which we are recording in the journal have to be posted to the ledger. So in ledger account is a T-shaped format containing the summary of transactions with a reference to a person or a asset or expense or income. So it is a T-shaped ledger, is a T-shaped format. You can see it's a T-shaped format. You see. Uh, date, particulars, journal folio, amount. This is one side. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount in rupees. This is other side. This is a T-shaped. This is a T-shaped format. So the left hand side of the account is called debit side, and the right hand side of the account is called credit side. Left hand side is called debit side, right hand side is called credit. That's why here it is depicted debit, left hand side is called debit, and the right hand side is called credit. And as the ledger is the ultimate destination of all the transactions, then ledger is also called the book of final entry. Some may be called the book of second entry, because the transactions first recorded in the book of first entry or the book of original entry, that is journal. After recording the transaction in the journal, they are to be posted to the ledger accounts in the ledger book. So that's why the ledger also called the book of second entry. And at the same time, the transactions are ultimately that last recorded in the ledger is also called the book of final entry. After final entry, you know very well, then starts trial balance, then starts final accounts. This is the format of ledger. The format of ledger is having 8 columns: date column, particulars column, journal folio column, amount column. This is the left hand side. This is 4 columns here. What is the date of the transaction and which account is debited created? Journal, that is a page number of the journal, then the amount in rupees. Right side also same. That's why it's called T-shaped. Date, particulars, journal folio, amount in rupees. This is called ledger. So this is ledger format. You have to remember debit, credit, purchase. The usually account the account which belongs wrote in the middle, and extreme left you have to write dr, debit, extreme right you have to write cr, credit. And this is a T-shaped format. And now how to prepare ledger, I have given how to prepare ledger. You see here, I have taken a small problem because in a PPT it is not possible to deal with a big problem. If you deal with a big problem, what happens? You have to use 2 or 3 slides. When explaining one problem with 2 or 3 slides is problematic and may not be understand to the student. That's why I have taken a small problem. Prepare Ramesh ledger account from the following. Prepare Ramesh ledger from the following. So on April 1st, 2014, goods sold to Ramesh 10,000. April 2nd, 2014, goods purchased by Ramesh 1,000. So goods purchased by Ramesh means we sold goods to Ramesh 1,000. On 3rd April, cash received from Ramesh 6,000. These are the entries. These are the 3 transactions given. So what is the question? Prepare Ramesh ledger account. Ramesh ledger account. If you want to prepare ledger account, first you have to these transactions should be entered in the journal. So I've taken some journal entries here. This is only for the purpose of easy only I've given. You have to, if whenever there is a problem on ledger account, you have to write journal entries in the rough. Then that journal entries are this is the journal entries are posted to the account. So first one, sir. So goods. So first we discuss journal entries, then we go to Ramesh account, how to prepare ledger account. So goods sold to Ramesh 10,000. What is journal entry? Whenever goods are sold, we sold goods to Ramesh. You know very well that is the first fundamental point. We, what I told. So we sold goods to Ramesh. That means whenever goods are sold, you know very well, sales account is created. Sales account is created with 10,000. And whenever a personal account is appearing in a transaction, that transaction deemed to be a credit transaction. You know very well in the 6th video lesson, you know, every transaction which is having a personal account deemed to sometimes deemed to be a credit transaction. That's why it's a credit transaction. So we sold goods, sales account is created. Ramesh is a personal account. Ramesh receiver. Ramesh receiver. Receiver account is debited. Ramesh receiver account is debited, and we sold goods, sales account is created. Ramesh account debtor to sales account. Ramesh here debtor. Ramesh here customer. Customer account. Whenever we sold, we are giving benefit to him by selling goods, means we are allowing credit to him. So Ramesh account is, so we receive a Ramesh account is debited and the sales account is credited. Ramesh account debtor to sales account being goods sold. Only a rough purpose only I have taken here. Actually, we know not to write here. So Entries Ramesh account sales. Next, goods purchased by Ramesh. How Ramesh purchased goods? When we sell, that means we sold goods to Ramesh. Ramesh purchased the same goods. That means we sold goods. Same entry. First entry, same entry. Goods sold to Ramesh means Ramesh purchased, obviously. So some students may confuse. Here, Ramesh purchasing means we are selling. Same entry. So when goods sold, sales account is given. Goods sold, sales account is created. The receiver, because there's a create transaction, the receiver account is debited. Ramesh account is to sales account, being goods sold. Cash received from Ramesh. Cash received from Ramesh. We received cash from Ramesh. Cash is coming in. Cash account is debited. Cash is coming in. Cash account is debited. And the giver with personal account. The Ramesh giver account is created. Cash account data to Ramesh account. Cash account to Ramesh account, being cash received, being cash received. These are the two entries. So whenever you are preparing ledger account, whenever you are preparing ledger account, you have to see which ledger account you are preparing. So according to the problem, you have to prepare Ramesh ledger account. Then you have to see, you have to make a journal, rough journal at least, how many times Ramesh account is appearing. So Ramesh account is appearing in the first entry, Ramesh account is appearing in the second entry, Ramesh account is appearing in the third. 3 times Ramesh account is appearing. 3 times Ramesh account is appearing. So how many times it is debited, how many times you know very well, the first line is debiting and second line is crediting. First line is debiting, second line is crediting. First line is debiting. How many times Ramesh account? 1. Here Ramesh account is debited. Second time Ramesh account is debited. Third time Ramesh account is credited. So 2 times debited. That means you have to. So this is debit side of Ramesh account. This is credit side of Ramesh account. This is ledger account. Debit side of Ramesh account. This is credit side of Ramesh account. Here 2 times Ramesh account is to be debited. Well, first time 10,000 Ramesh account is debited. Second time 1,000 Ramesh account is credited. 2 times Ramesh account is debited. One time Ramesh account is created with one time Ramesh account is created with 1,000. One time Ramesh account is created. Only 6,000 should be recorded. Okay. So cash account to Ramesh account 6,000. So one time Ramesh account is created with 6,000. 2 times Ramesh account is debited with 10,000. Ramesh account is created with 10,000. So once again, first you have to write ledger accounts, journal entries. So we have written 3 journal entries. Then you have to see, first of all, if you want to prepare ledger account, you have to see which ledger account you are preparing. You are preparing Ramesh ledger account. So you see in journal entries how many times Ramesh account is appearing. Ramesh account is appearing 3 times. So how many times debited? How many times credited? One time debited 10,000. One time debited. Second time debited 1,000, third time credited 6,000. This is very important. This is debit side of Ramesh account. This is credit side of Ramesh account. You have to see. So first we have to start with the Ramesh account. First time debited with 10,000. So you first which date first? So you take first on first Ramesh account result. So first you put 1/4/2014. Then how much amount is debited? 10,000. So Ramesh amount is debited 10,000. You have to write what is opposite to Ramesh account. To sales account. You have to write. You have to write to sales account. You have to write to sales account. So 1/4/2014 to sales account. 1/4/2014 to sales account. 1/4/2014 to sales. That means your debited Ramesh account with 10,000. When you write like this, 1/4/14 to sales 10,000. That means Ramesh account is debited with 10,000 because Ramesh account is debited with 10,000 first entry. So Ramesh account debited with 10,000 on date. But you have to write what is opposite to Ramesh, to sales. The second entry also you see Ramesh account is debited 1,000. So you put second date. So how much amount is debited? 1,000 amount is debited. 1,000 amount you have to put here. What is opposite to Ramesh? To sales account. To sales account. So this time also Ramesh account is debited with 1,000. Debited with 1,000. Come to third one. What about Ramesh account is credited with 6,000? So what is third date? Put date. And Ramesh account is credited with 6,000. What is opposite here? Cash. So you have to write by cash. This is usual practice to write by cash. There is no scientific rule. Only you have to write you have to write to sales in debit side, by cash, by in the credit side. So by cash you have to write. There are the three entries, three from journal to ledger, three postings. One is debit 10,000, second is debit 1,000, third is credit 6,000. This is called ledger posting. Ledger posting. Ramesh account debited 10,000. Ramesh account is debited 1,000. Ramesh account is 6,000. So these are three entries are shown in the black color. Only three transactions are shown in black color. One 10,000 debit, one 1,000 debit, one 6,000 credit, black color. Now after the transactions are over, you have to balance the to balance means you have to equal the both sides. If so, here so 11,000 is there, here 6,000 is there, 11,000 is there. That means to balance credit side, how much you require? 5,000. To balance credit side, how much you required? 5,000. So how to get for the first the side which is more is added. That is debit side is more, 10,000, 11,000, 11,000. This 11,000 is taken to other side, 11,000. 11,000 minus 6,000, obviously 5,000. This 5,000 is called balance in the Ramesh account. Balance in the Ramesh account. Usually the balance is carried down during the last date of the month. During the last date of the 31st for 14. 31st for 14. So balance carried down 5,000. That is brought down to the next month first date. What is the next month? After April, May is the next month, and May 1st. So the balance balance brought down is 5,000. Balance brought down is 5,000. That means Ramesh account is having 5,000 debit balance. 5,000 is debit balance. So I explained out preparation of ledger account with a small problem with the three entries. That too, I wrote journal entries also here. I wrote journal entries here. You see. Once again, I will explain. Ramesh account is debited 10,000 here. You see. But you have to write what is opposite to sales. Ramesh account is also debited in the second also. What is opposite to sales? How much? 1,000. So Ramesh account is debited with 10,000. Ramesh account is debited with 1,000. That is 11,000. So Ramesh account is credited with 6. This is credit side of the Ramesh account. So Ramesh account is credited with 6,000. So to balance the account at the end of that month, every end of that month, April 31st, first you have to add the side which is more. The 11,000 is there, this is 6,000 is there. So this side, so 11,000 is added here first, the 11,000 taken to other side. 11,000 minus 6,000, the balance is 5. The balance is 5. This is called balance carried down on the last day of that month. This is brought. This carried down balance is brought forward to the next month, first day, that is May 1st, 5,000 balance. This is called Ramesh account is showing debit balance. That means we have to receive 5,000 from due from Ramesh. Ramesh is a customer. He has to. So we sold 11,000 worth of goods and he paid only 6,000 cash and he has to pay another 5,000. This is called whenever any personal account is showing debit means he is a debtor. He is customer. Yeah, he is due to our firm. This is about ledger account. If you're unable to understand, you can go once again back and you can see in the YouTube channel. Next, what is trial balance? Trial balance statement is not an account which shows the balance of all ledger accounts, either debit or credit. So first, all the transactions are recorded in the journal. After journal postings are over, we have to post the journal entries into ledger accounts. For all the ledger accounts, after balancing, their balances are carried forward to the trial balance. Trial balance is not an account; it's a statement which is prepared to know the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. What is arithmetical accuracy of books of account? Whether so actually we are following double entry system of accounting, which is enunciated by the Luca Fascioli. According to double entry system, every debit has got opposite equal corresponding credit. Debit equal to credit. Debit equal to credit. We have to show all. We are debiting every account with the opposite account. That's why every debit has got equal opposite corresponding credit. Debit equal to credit to show that. So trial balance is prepared to know arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts. Have given a format of trial balance, simply name of the account or ledger full limits, ledger account number, debit, what is the debit balance, or what is the credit balance of an account is shown here. Usually to prepare trial balance, simple formula I will tell you. All assets account are debit balance. All assets account, buildings account, debit balance. All expenses accounts are debit balance. What you have to understand? All assets account, debit balance. All expenses account, debit balance. You know very well. Purchasing an asset is also expenditure, but that expenditure gives benefit for relatively for a longer period. That is known as asset. But asset or expenditure, both are expenditure. That's why all assets accounts are debit balances. All expenses accounts like salaries, rent, rates, taxes are debit balances. Assets like land, buildings, plant, machinery, furniture, buildings are debit balances. Next, what are the next, all liabilities are credit balance. All liabilities are credit. What are the liabilities? Capital. Next, creditors, bills payable, all are credit balance. All are credit balance. And all incomes are credit balance. All incomes are credit balance. All liabilities are credit balance. This is the format of trial balance. Format of trial balance. So trial balance is called third stage of accounting process. Trial balance is called third stage of accounting process. That is the trial balance. The first stage is journal. The second stage is ledger. Third stage is trial balance. So we will explain a journal, ledger, and trial balance in only one simple problem, so that everybody can understand what is the how the process will flow freely. So in this small problem, the same problem I have taken. Prepare trial balance for the following transaction. Goods sold to Ramesh on 1st April and goods purchased by Ramesh on 2nd April. Cash received from Ramesh on the 3rd April. So these are the three. Why I have taken only 3 entries? If I take a big problem, there may be so many accounts. If the accounts are spread over 3 or 4 slides, you cannot understand, and that's why so I'm showing something in the everything, that means actually in practice, preparation of ledger, preparation of trial balance takes huge amount of time, and at the same time they will spread over a number of pages, bundles of pages and bundles of books. But I'm showing only with only 3 transactions, so that everybody can understand. So once again, I will first stage of accounting process, journal. Second stage of accounting process, this is ledger. Third stage of accounting process, trial balance. This is a third. So I will show all these in one simple problem. First journal, goods sold to Ramesh. When we goods sold to Ramesh, sales account obviously created, sales account obviously created because it's a credit transaction. The receiver Ramesh account is debited, receiver Ramesh account is debited, Ramesh account to sales account. When goods purchased by Ramesh from us, the Ramesh purchased means we sold goods to Ramesh. We sold goods, same entry. We sold goods to Ramesh as a credit entry because Ramesh is a receiver. Ramesh account is debited. Whenever goods sold, sales account is created. Ramesh account is to sales account. Ramesh account is to sales account. Cash received from Ramesh. Cash is coming in. Cash account is debited. Who is giver? Ramesh account is created 1,000. So sorry. Goods sold to Ramesh, 10,000. Ramesh account to sales account. Goods purchased by Ramesh means we sold goods to Ramesh. Same entry Ramesh account to sales account. Cash received from Ramesh means cash account to Ramesh account. So first we prepare Ramesh account, then we prepare sales account, last cash. What are the accounts are there in this? In this we have only 3 accounts. You see here. So here the first one is Ramesh account. Second one is sales account. Same. Third one is cash account. So 3 accounts. One Ramesh account. From these 6 accounts, only 3 accounts we have to prepare from this Ramesh account, sales account, and cash account. This is Ramesh ledger account. This is sales account. This is cash account. First, you have to prepare Ramesh account. Whenever you are preparing an account, how many times that account is appearing in the journal, you have to see. Your Ramesh account 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So Ramesh account is debited 10,000. Show here debited 10,000. On 1/4/14, Ramesh account debited. You write 2 sales opposite side. Second also Ramesh account is debited 1,000. So Ramesh account is debited 1,000. What is opposite? 2 sales account. On third, Ramesh account is created with 6,000. Ramesh is this is also wrong. Ramesh account is created with 6,000. Ramesh account is created with 6,000. Students may confuse here. So third Ramesh account is created with 6,000. So Ramesh account created with 6,000. So first in the first entry Ramesh account debited with 10,000. Second entry Ramesh account is created with 1,000. In third entry Ramesh account is created with 6,000. When you are balancing, you have to add the side which is more. So debit side is more, that is 11,000. Credit side is only 6,000. So I have shown only with the black color here. So this is 11,000, this is 6,000. So this side which is more taken to other side 11,000. To balance 11,000 minus 6,000, 5,000. So both sides 11,000. This is balance. This is called balancing. This is equal. Whenever you purchase vegetables, the balance should be equal. So we equaled both the sides. That's why here the balance is 5,000. When you put 5,000, this is balance, this is carried down. Usually the accounts are balanced at the end of every month. So 31st April it is balanced 5,000. That balance is carried to next side, that is on the 1st May. That is that means here to balance brought down, that is Ramesh account is show debit balance. So the account balance I shown in the blue color, that is Ramesh account balance is 5,000 debit. The shown color is blue. Ramesh account showing debit balance of 5,000. Next, what are the account? Sales account. How many times sales account is appearing? Here 1 time sales account is created. Here 1 time sales account is created. Only 2 times sales account is appearing. So first you go on first on 1/4 sales account is created with the 10,000. Sales account is created with 10,000. Sales account created with the 10,000. Sales account is created. Sales account is created with 10,000. So that's why that sales account. This is sales. Second one is sales account. Sales account. This is credit side. Sales account is created with 10,000. What is opposite here? Ramesh. You have to put credit side by Ramesh. So first one date. Second, how much created sales account? 10,000. 10,000 shown here. And what is opposite to sales? Ramesh account, by Ramesh account. The second entry also sales account is created. So second date, how much account created? 1,000. 1,000 is created. 1,000 is created. 1,000 is created. What is opposite? Ramesh. Ramesh account. This is over. This, so this account is over. So sales account first time created with 10,000 and second time created with 1,000. 11,000 is created and opposite side is 0. So this 11,000 is more. First we have to add 11,000 here. This is taken this side. Obviously here nothing is there. So what is the balance at the end of every month is 11,000. The 11,000 carried forward, brought forward here on 1st May. The sales account is 11,000. Sales account is balance brought down is 11,000. Sales account balance brought down is 11,000 on 1st May. The balance which is carried down is taken to other side. Here debit side 5,000, the credit side 5,000 brought forward to debit side. Here debit side 11,000 brought forward to next side 11. That means blue color means here sales account showing credit balance of 11,000. Sales account showing credit balance of 11,000. Ramesh account showing debit balance of 5,000. Next, what is account? We have to pay cash account. How many times cash account appearing? Here in the first header there is no cash account. In the second there is no cash account. But here cash account is debited with 6,000. Cash account. Third one is cash account. The cash account is debit. This is debit side. Cash account is debited with the 6. So cash account is debited with the 6,000. Cash account is debited with the 6,000. So cash account is debited with the 6,000. So cash account on third debited with 6,000 is opposite to cash to Ramesh. To Ramesh 6,000. So here 6,000 is there. Here 6,000 is there. So credit side nothing. So that's why 6,000 you take it side. The balance will be here 6,000. Balance will be here 6,000. The balance carried down will be taken to other side. This is 6,000. This 6,000. Whatever the balance we are getting, that is the balance which we come across. So here cash balance, cash account always shows debit balance in blue color 6,000. Sales account always shows credit balance here. 11,000. Usually sales account credit balance, cash account debit balance, and personal account may be debit, may be credit. Here is the customer is showing debit balance. We have 3 accounts here. The Ramesh account showing debit balance 5,000, and the sales account showing credit balance 11,000, and the cash account showing debit balance. You have to remember the 3 accounts balances to prepare trial balance. So first one Ramesh account showing debit balance 5,000. Second one sales account showing credit balance 11,000. Third cash account showing debit balance 6,000. So how much debit? Here 5,000, here 6,000. Debit 11,000. What is credit? Here credit 11,000. That means we are that balance, trial balance. When we make a trial whether debit equal to credit, the balance is trial balance. We are trialing whether debit equal to credit. You know very well trial balance, name of the account Ramesh account. The debit balance is 5,000 taken here debit column, and sales account showing credit balance 11,000. You know very well. You are taken in the credit side, and cash account showing 6,000 debit balance, and so when you add total 11,000 debit, 11,000 credit, that is trial balance agreed. Trial balance agreed. That means whatever the transactions you recorded may be correct. There may be some errors crept in, but you may be great. So once again, you see Ramesh account debit balance 5,000, cash account debit balance 6,000, 5, 6, 11, and sales account credit balance 11,000. That you have to understand. So Ramesh account debit balance 5,000, cash account debit balance 6,000, sales account credit balance 11,000. Trial balance is agreed. That's all from this small problem. So in this small problem, we solved journal, ledger, trial balance with the small problem. Okay, so anybody who are confusing, you can see this YouTube video lesson 3 or 4 times. You can easily understand what is what. Thank you all.